This is how you can create an awesome target range chart looking something like this. The first thing I'm gonna have to do is to create 3 columns. I'm gonna call the first column low, another one I'm gonna call it a good, and another one I'm gonna call it a high. These are essentially the ranges that's gonna be marked, and good is where you should be operating. And let's assign some numbers here. So low, you're gonna say 300, good 800, maybe high, let's say 200. And you're gonna take this range here, highlight them, and then basically apply them to every row like this. So now I have a chart here. This chart is actually depicting this particular data set here. Now to include this into your chart, select the new range that you have just entered and press Ctrl C to copy on the clipboard. Select the yellow line or the line chart and press Ctrl V, and this will introduce 3 lines in your line chart here, essentially including these 3 columns in your chart. So next thing you're gonna have to do is basically convert this line that you added into a stack column. Select that line chart, right click on it, and click on chart type. Make sure you're selected under the combo, and then leave the yellow one, which is the unit sold as the original one, and all this series you're gonna basically make it into a stack column like this. Okay, then once that's done, click on OK, and it should look something like that. Now basically to do shading of the operating area, right click on any of this bar chart here, and then go format data series here, and basically change the gap width to 0% like this, and it should look something like that. Now select any of this orange ones here, and then go to this lines and fill, and basically say no fill, and go do the same thing with the orange and say no fill. And let's make this good operating range into a green color. So I'm going to change gray to green, and there you have it. This is your target operating range.